In this video, let's see how to add and manage contact groups in Easify. In the navigation bar, click on Contacts. Let's start by learning how to set up a new contact group. In the Contacts section, click the Add button. In the pop-up, enter the name of the new group. Now click Create button. The new contact group has been added successfully. Now select your new contact group. To continue, let's add some contacts to this group. Click on Import Contacts in the top right corner of the page to add a large number of contacts to the group at once. To upload your contacts, drag your CSV file into the highlighted section of the pop-up. Ensure that your file follows the same format as the sample file. Select the appropriate value for the additional fields if your files contain any. You can see the import progress here when it is completed. Now, let's go back to the All Contacts page. Select the new group. As you can see, every contact has been successfully added to the group. Click on the three dots to see more options. You can add new contacts, remove blacklists, remove duplicates, export unreplied contacts, export contact group, and delete all contacts. In the Contacts section, click the three-dot menu next to Contact Group. Select Set as Default from the drop-down menu. In the Confirmation modal, click Confirm to proceed. In the Contacts section, click the three-dot menu next to the new contact group. Select Set as Favorite from the drop-down menu. In the Confirmation modal, click Confirm to proceed. The new contact group is now listed under Favorites. To remove it, click the three-dot menu next to the group. In the Contacts section, select Remove from Favorites from the drop-down menu. In the Confirmation modal, click the Confirm button. A success message appears indicating the contact group has been removed from Favorites. Click the three-dot menu next to Contact Group in the Favorites section. You'll find multiple options here, such as adding to automated calls, sharing, editing, or deleting the contact group. Thank you for choosing Easify. That's all for contacts in Easify. Thank you for watching.